Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the brand Hismile. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about this brand before, but before I get started, I just want to tell you guys the reason why I decided to get two of this product. And the reason for that was because a few months ago I was in Asia and I noticed that my teeth has gone really yellow, probably due to because a lot of drinking coffee, like during the holiday and also during work. I drink a lot of coffee during work. Because of my work, I usually have to drink coffee. Like, it's not really an excuse, but it gets me through the day, okay? So I have to drink coffee, and I noticed that especially during the trip, I just noticed that my teeth has gone real yellow, and I knew that I needed to do something when I got back. So I thought I'll give this a try. So instead of buying like one, I thought I'll just buy two different ones because I've heard good things about the toothpaste. I've heard good things about the kit as well, but I wanted to try both and see. Unfortunately, they don't really have like a bundle set for this two combined. They have bundle set like separately for other things. So the teeth whitening kit on my left actually cost me $79.99, and then the day and night toothpaste cost me $19.99. But I mean, I want to give it a try. I've heard a lot of good things about it. A lot of YouTubers have tried it before, so I thought, why not give it a try? And the thing is, I decided to try the day and night toothpaste first because I wanted to see how the result is like before I actually use the proper kit. So what I've heard was that this toothpaste is supposed to help whiten the teeth as well, just like how you would use like those whitening toothpaste that you can probably get from the drugstore, supermarket and stuff like that. So I've tried a few of those in supermarket before. I can't remember, one of the brand was like a baking soda one, and it made my teeth really sensitive, and it didn't really whiten my teeth at all, and it tastes horrible, okay? Like, it's really horrible. But this one, it comes in two different toothpaste. I've decided to put my one back so you guys can see how it looks like. You guys can see how much I've used in the last 2 weeks. So this is the night one and this is the day one, and when you take it out, the day one actually shows you the ingredients at the back, which is really good, and it tells you what it does. So it helps to protect by having the microshield wax, helps to prevent stains from occurring, and it contains aloe vera to control bacteria, and it has 5 key minerals for teeth health, and it doesn't have any fluoride, SLS or PEG free, which is really good, which means that it doesn't make your teeth sensitive at all, because I do have really sensitive teeth now due to using different, you know, whitening products. Now the night toothpaste, obviously you use it at night, and it comes in a black form because of the charcoal, and this one contains activated charcoal for natural whitening, and it contains aloe vera again to control bacteria. Same thing as the day one, it contains 5 key minerals for teeth health. And one good thing I like about this too is that the day one gives you like this peppermint oil feeling, like a taste as well, which means that it freshens your breath and it doesn't really make your teeth sensitive. Same with the night one. And to be honest, I've used this for a week and I didn't really see any difference when using it. Apparently you're supposed to use it for a good amount of time, but I wanted to do a review, you know, for you guys and tell you guys my thought and opinion on it. I'll be doing like a part 2, but I wanted to do a first part because I know a few of you guys have asked me how my thoughts are, because I feature this in one of my haul video. So yeah, so using this for 1 week, it didn't really change anything, but at the same time it sort of helped maintain my current teeth situation where it's like a little bit yellow but it didn't stain anymore, if that makes sense, because I was still drinking coffee when I was using this toothpaste. I'm sorry, but I cannot stop drinking my coffee. So I wanted to find a product that helps maintain my teeth situation as well as being able to drink my coffee. Like, I try to reduce my coffee from 3 times to 1 time per day now because of this product, but at the same time it's sort of good to reduce my coffee intake, I guess. But yeah, so what I did was use this for 1 week. I really like how it feels in my mouth, like in my teeth. It doesn't make it sensitive, but I wasn't happy that it didn't give me the result that I wanted. So then what I decided to do was I decided to use this teeth whitening kit, and so it comes in 3 syringes, and one use you're supposed to use a 1/4 syringe, and it comes in like a guide as well, which is really great, and like a result to show you guys comparison of how your teeth will look like later on. As you can see, here is empty here, and that's because I've taken it out. It's just this thingy right here, and the This is the mouth tray on the top, and this is the LED light at the bottom. In order to use it, you have to take out the plastic thing from the bottom and then close it back up, and then it will be good to go. And one good thing I like about this, I didn't realize, was that it actually has like a self timer, which means when you put this on, it actually time you for like 10 minutes. So the LED light actually goes on like that, and then you hear the beep, it means that it's actually done. So as you can see, I've already used one syringe. I've used up one syringe, so that's 4 times. I know I'm supposed to use up to day 6, but I really wanted to show you guys how it looks like even after day 4, because I really want to use up all of this and then show you guys the complete result. But I wanted to do it into like 2 parts, if that makes sense, because honestly I'm actually very happy with the result already. I actually start off in day 1, I actually start off in number 6, so you can tell that my teeth originally is actually not that bad. It's just yellow, it's just stain. Like, I just wanted it to be whiter. And if I were to compare it now, let me check, I haven't actually checked it. Oops, and the battery just beeped. I would say that I am probably on between number 4 and number 3, so I have gone down 2 stages, which is really good, and that's after using it for 4 days. And I really am happy with this, because I was worried about using it for the 2nd, 3rd time. I was worried that it will make my teeth really sore, especially the back, but it didn't make it sensitive at all. Like, the LED light was really easy to use. It was pretty cool to take like selfie shots with the LED light. I mean, yeah, it is a very awesome product, and I like that it gives you like a guide of how to use it. And 10 minutes is actually not that long, but I feel like the more I use it, I started to get really bored, so I try to like multitask while I use it. And one good tip about using the mouth guard is that you have to press it and suck it to get a better result, because if not, then it just won't work. But yeah, I like using this and then also using the toothpaste. So what I do is, before using the mouth guard itself, I use the night toothpaste, because you have to brush it first. I use the night toothpaste, use the mouth guard, and then, you know, floss my teeth, rinse my teeth, and then go to sleep. And then the next day I just use the day toothpaste. And I feel like actually using these two is actually more effective than using one or the other. Just, this is my personal thought, this is how I feel. Probably the reason why I feel that way is probably because I got this two and I wanted to combine them two originally anyway. I'm already happy with this result, but I really want it to be whiter, because I can still see a little bit of yellow staining in my teeth. And yeah, I mean, a lot of people, they might just end up just using one syringe and then keep it for later on for them to whiten their teeth more. But I think I want to keep using it until I see how white my teeth can go, you know. And the thing is, I'm impressed with this just because I don't need to stop my coffee. Probably get the toothpaste again once I finish it. I actually don't know how long this will last, but I mean, I've been using it for 2 weeks already and it still have like more than a half left. And one good thing about this current site is that if you do buy from them again the following month, you do get 30% off from whatever you have bought, which means that you sort of subscribe and then they'll send it to you monthly. So you get 30% off that, which means that it's about, how much, 16 bucks? I mean, sorry my maths, but yeah, it's good that they deliver it to you instead of going to the supermarket. But yeah, I'm actually really happy that they provide like a day and night, and once you get the hang of it, you actually remember which one to use, you know, because it has like the symbol at the front as well, which is really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tell me if you guys want to see like a complete result, whether it's 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later. Let me know, because I'll definitely do a follow-up video again if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm actually very happy with these two products. So yeah, if you have any more questions, definitely put in the comment box below, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.